Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a paragraph type question which has two multiple choice questions, each having only one correct option, on pure rolling motion of a sphere. The question is as follows. Paragraph. A ball of mass m and radius r rolls inside a hemispherical shell of radius r. It is released from rest from point A as shown in the figure. Now answer the following questions. Question 1. The angular velocity of the center of the ball in position C about the center of the cell is. The options are 2 into root over g by 5 into r minus r, root over 10g by 7 into r minus r, root over 2g by 5 into r minus r, and root over 5g by 2 into r minus r. Question 2. The normal force exerted by this cell on the ball at position C is. The options are 12 by 7 mg, 7 by 9 mg, 17 by 7 mg, and 10 by 7 mg. Before proceeding to solve the problems, let us recall the related concepts, which are as follows. For pure rolling motion, angular velocity omega and linear velocity v are related as omega is equal to v by r. For a solid sphere of mass m and radius r, moment of inertia about an axis passing through its center is given by I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. If the radius of gyration is equal to k, we have I is equal to mk square, which implies k square by r square is equal to 2 by 5. Now, kinetic energy of translation is given by kT is equal to half mv square, and kinetic energy of rotation kr is equal to half I omega square. Therefore, total kinetic energy is given by k is equal to kt plus kr. Now for the answer. First, we will solve question 1. Now, loss in gravitational potential energy of the ball from A to C is given by delta U is equal to mg into r minus r, because the decrease in height of the ball is equal to r minus r. Also, gain in kinetic energy at C is given by delta K is equal to kt plus kr, which is equal to half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square. Putting k square by r square is equal to 2 by 5 and simplifying, we get delta k is equal to 7 by 10 mv square. Therefore, from conservation of energy, we have 7 by 10 mv square is equal to mg into r minus r, which implies v is equal to root over 10g into r minus r by 7. Now, angular velocity omega is equal to v by r minus r. Putting the values and simplifying, we get omega is equal to root over 10g by 7 into r minus r, which is the answer to question 1. Therefore, the correct option is B. Now, we will solve question 2. From equation 5, we have mv square by r minus r is equal to 10 by 7 mg. Let normal force on the ball at C is equal to N and centripetal force is equal to mv square by r minus r. Now, centripetal force is equal to normal force minus weight of the ball, which implies N minus mg is equal to mv square by r minus r. Therefore, from equations 6 and 7, we get N minus mg is equal to 10 by 7 into mg, which implies N is equal to 17 by 7 mg, which is the answer to question 2. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.